But press that button on the top corner, you know, the eject button. Other side, that one there.
Jeez.
Bloody hell, this is
taking it back old school.
This is like
you know?
old school. This is.
Oi, where's the keys? Give it the keys and say you've officially been pimped.
It's actually so
we have
crazy.
to get her in front first.
Hello,
Not yet,
brother.
man, like
You
Jay.
okay?
This is my mate Jay, yeah?
Nice to meet you, brother.
Do the honors, mate.
Right.
That's it. Are you ready, Fats, yeah? Are you ready, yeah?
Bloody hell. Ricky, bloody hell, what's happening here, brother?
Look at the deadly Shunar Banglas, the 3 E30s.
Bloody hell, Ricks.
So what do you think, Fats?
This is mad. This is
Look at the wheels.
bloody hell. Nah, this is looking.
It's looking hard, isn't it?
Bloody hell, this is
Take the
looking.
deadly shades off, man. I need to see them for real.
Nah, the grey looks really good, you know. The grey looks really nice.
Yeah. Can you see how it looks,
This
Fats?
looks clean.
Look at the
What?
interior.
The interior, yeah. This is.
You see how
honestly, this is
mint
really
looking?
nice.
The interior is looking like a proper dog bucket. Now it's looking like fresh.
The badges, the alloys,
The alloy is killing, innit?
The alloys and the polish, the detail.
Yeah, Jay's smashed
Brother,
it.
you done a wicked job. Honestly, this is looking fresh.
Looking too mint. Trust me, it's looking. And look at the way he's sitting now. Do you know the back wheels? It's just sitting
Oh
sick.
my
Like, you know,
gosh,
it's looking
this
mint.
just looks clean.
It looks like a different kind.
All the black is black. All the grey is grey.
All the cream is cream. You know, it's looking proper. It's a
Yeah.
it looks like a proper, complete different
Like
kind, isn't it?
this is a whole different car from when buying it to now. Like I think even the alloys, it just gives it this clean
It just
look.
stands
It
out,
just
and you will
is
put
different.
brand new tires all round. So you
Fresh.
can see how chunky and meaty the tires are. But
Yeah, I
man.
think the combo looks bad. It looks.
It's lowered as well, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it's lowered as
Yeah.
well. So you can't really tell, but it is lowered slightly. So,
Beautiful, man. Honestly, it just looks so.
yeah, look, these flowers are for you, Fatima. Fresh. Fresh roses, you know. These are for you, you know.
Fresh roses. Oh, bless you, man.
Yeah.
All right, let's take a seat and actually.
Does it feel like new level?
Yeah, see, jump
Does it
in.
feel genuine?
Genie. Fat, so you don't really know. So you know, you were saying before we basically use wanting to get a red one, innit?
Yeah.
So you were saying, if only there was a red one, yeah?
Yeah.
Obviously, but we bought this, innit?
Yeah.
But then this red one came on a good deal, and I got this one as well. We could be cruising in.
Rex is moving.
So we could be going cruising together now in both of them.
Bloody hell.
But the red one, Jay, I've brought it to Jay today. So Jay's obviously gonna mint it up, tidy it up, but
This
we'll worry
is-
about that one another day. Guys, we picked up the deadly E30 yesterday. The weather's beautiful. Doesn't she look stunning?
Guys, I must say myself, I saw the car for the first time yesterday. It's a whole new car. They've basically transformed the whole car. Where it's supposed to be black is actually black. It ain't looking like it's 38 years old.
Yeah,
no more.
nah, trust me, the car was looking rough, like a dog bucket, in my opinion. But literally the boys, Jay, Glenn, Raj, who's done the interior, they've transformed it. And I'll be honest with you, Fats was shocked. Like, she was actually amazed at how it's come out. Even I'm amazed.
So what we're gonna do now, guys, is we'll start from the front end and we'll work our way back and we'll tell you exactly what's been done and break it down for you guys.
So guys, this is the 2-litre beast. I think it's like 120 something horsepower. But Glenn at GS Automotive has carried out a full engine service on the car. We've done the oil filter, the spark plugs, the air filters, like everything that the car needs. At the same time, we thought, you know what, it's best just to do the timing belt and also the water pump, because we didn't know when it was last done. So it's best just to carry it out on these old cars. But yeah, Jay's cleaned it up nicely. He's looking quite smart now. But yeah, man, it's looking good, and he's driving better as well.
He's also done some other work, guys. I mean, he's obviously, as we've told you before, he's lowered the car.
Yeah.
He did lower the back. We'll show you videos from it before, but
Yeah,
it's a bit too low.
Yeah, I'll be honest with you guys, it was way too low. Me and my sister was just driving it in our area. We've got a few speed humps and it was like scraping on the exhaust like everywhere. So we've just put the original springs back on the back. We've kept the lowering spring on the front. I think it just sits really nice.
Yeah,
now.
it sits perfect.
We've had the brakes done. I forgot about the brakes. So we've had brand new pads and discs all round. We've done brake lines. So yeah, that's been done. Gearbox service as well.
That was one of the main things.
And the diff service.
But yeah, the car was sitting very low at the back before,
Yeah.
and it was sitting just how it is now on the front, and it was basically just tilted like that.
Yeah.
But now, obviously, with the originals on the back, it's sitting a lot more straight, a lot more
It's
dead
sitting
square.
a lot more nicer, and he actually drives a lot better as well.
Yeah, it was actually very nice to drive.
Yeah, it's
He's
driving.
also replaced some of the bushes. I think
Yeah,
the rear
so
links.
on the rear, the rear links and a few of the bushes on the back arms, so it's just driving
One of the shock absorbers as well, I believe it
so
was
one of the
leaking.
shocks were a bit busted, so he changed that as well. So yeah, man. So yeah, Glenn's done a great job, brother. Thank you very much. I think we should move on to the interior now, innit?
Yeah. Raj done a sensational job.
I'll be honest with you, the interior was like, I wouldn't say it was like horrendous, but it was like very tired, very knackered. Yeah, you could see like the interior is looking amazing. The door cards has made them look like brand new. Yeah, man, it just looks so good. Like it's just a fresh lease of life to this like 36-year-old car. You know, it looks so mint. Even my mom's saying like, nah, like where's the rip gone on the interior? I was like, the seats are looking like brand new. So yeah.
We've just got the steering wheel left, obviously, where we had to go pick the car up from Southend.
Yeah.
We didn't get that done.
Yeah.
But now that we're back, Raj is saying it's not going to take him too long, maybe 20 minutes, half an hour.
Yeah, probably about
We're
half
gonna
hour. He'll
drive to him,
He'll
get
sort
that
the
done.
steering out. Few little cracks on the dash here. He's gonna sort that as well. But I'll be honest with you, man. Overall, it's just nice because whoever knows about these classic cars, you could buy something and spend like tons of money on it, but we've wanted to keep it a bit sensible, and I think what we've done to it is just transform the car with the budget that we had. The wheels, I think let's go on to the wheels now, Gobbee. Yeah, the wheels were done by Luke at Alloy Art in Rochford. The wheels have come out stunning. Honestly, guys, it changes the whole car. Like it just, people think it's new wheels, but I've had to tell everyone it's just we've just painted it.
Yeah.
And
these are the design from the BMW M3, the E30. This is the look that they go for, but obviously with the same matching color as the body, it just works.
yeah, like with having it diamond cut around on the big lip, then we've had it like it's like a gunmetal grey, I think, on the centerpiece, and then we've just done the cap in like a stainless
steel, yeah.
silver color, so it come out really nice. I think this combo
Matching with the exhaust.
the combo goes really well because this car's an early model. It's got the chrome like bumpers and obviously the chrome trims on the car, so it goes really well with the diamond car. And yeah, exhaust is nice and chrome as well. And yeah, I think it comes to man like Jay, innit? You know, Jay's I've made Jay do so much madness on this car. I think he spent about 40 hours minting it up. So we made him do a full interior and exterior valet. We've got him to detail the full body. Yeah, we machine polished the car. He ceramic coated it as well. He sorted the roof down now, but he's cleaned up the roof, ceramic coated the roof as well. He's put like a roof protector on it so the water doesn't come seeping through. He's polished out the plastic on the roof as well. Albert, he's done so much work. I needed a rear caliper painted as well. Put a new sound system in it as well, a new stereo and some brand new speakers. And yeah, so guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the whole transformation of the E30. The car's looking great now, and it's time to hand over the keys to Fatima for her to enjoy for this summer. I think we'll be lucky to enjoy it as well. So yeah, guys. But I think it's on to the next one now. What are you saying, Gob?
Should we tell them? Guys, I'll be honest with you, I don't think you're ready. What we've got planned this summer, you're definitely not gonna wanna miss it. We'll give you a hint. Obviously, you guys know we love our Jap cars. This next project is gonna be very big, very expensive. It's gonna take a lot of time.
Yeah.
We need you guys to like, we need you guys to subscribe, we need you guys to comment, tell us how well we're doing, if we are doing well, tell us what improvements we need to make, because obviously we are new to the game.
Yeah.
Make sure you put the notification bell on, because this next one, I'll be honest with you, even on the YouTube scene, is going to be a very
It's
big
going to be a madness, guys. You don't want to miss out. That's
100%. So yeah, guys, until then, stay tuned
and stay ready. It's just perfect for us. That's the wind for you. Blood, yo.
Okay, hope that didn't damage anything.